have I got a rare find for you, and it's right on the doorstep of the exciting buzz of Rosalie Village. Welcome to 38 Nash Street, a two-level newly renovated Queensland cottage. On the top level, you enter the main door, and there is the old cottage with all its personality and character features. Its lovely and open plan flows from the lounge room to the dining room and to the chef's kitchen. Also on this level is the bathroom and two generous-sized bedrooms. The stacker doors fold back and reveal a great deck overlooking that village. Downstairs is new, fresh and light-filled. There's the bathroom, kitchenette and laundry. It all spills out to this large living space and connects to the good-sized bedrooms. There's two of them here. This area has its own entrance and exit. Along with that, there's plenty of yard space for the kids and dogs. Calling all buyers looking for the ultimate lifestyle location, well, here it is. Just imagine yourself after a hard day at work, wandering down the street to the bars, to meet your friends at the restaurants, or go to the cinema. You can even walk your kids to school or the kindy. This is it. Call me soon.